Hi everyone, I'm Mason Rashtian, personal injury attorney and founder of the Mason Law Firm. Today I want to talk about a kind of injury that is not only very painful, it's also life-changing, and those are burn injuries. Burn injuries are serious because not only do they affect the outer layer of the skin, they can also affect nerves, muscles, and the internal tissue. They can also cause infection, and the emotional and mental trauma that comes with burn injuries are just as serious as the physical pain. So how do burn injuries occur? They can occur in a variety of ways. Number one is you can have an apartment or a house fire. Number two, you can be in a car accident where the car catches fire. You can have a chemical burn from using unsafe products. You can have an electrical burn from using exposed wires. And it can happen in a work industrial situation. I'll give you 3 examples of cases that we have handled and or currently handling. First, we had a 10-year-old boy who fell into an open fire pit. Not only was he severely injured, his 6-year-old sister watched the entire incident, and she also started having nightmares from seeing her brother fall into the fire. So it can also affect family members, not just the person who suffers the burn injuries. Next, we've handled and are handling some Starbucks cases, one of them including a lady who went through a drive-thru and hot tea spilled on her, and she has 3rd-degree burns on the lower portion of her body. Another case that we've are currently handling is a client who fell asleep in her apartment, and her apartment caught fire because the stove was faulty, and the stove was given to her by the landlord. Each of these cases represent different facts with different theories of liability, and the damages vary to some degree. But generally speaking, if someone's involved in a burn injury, they can recover their medical bills, including any skin grafting that may have been done, for their emotional trauma that they suffer from the injury and the incident itself. If they're an adult age and they lose time from work, obviously loss of income and any future loss of income that may come from it, and the disfigurement that comes from the burn injury itself. So what should you do if you or a loved one suffer from burn injuries? Number one is seek immediate medical attention. This is very crucial in order to prevent any form of infection. Number two, when possible, start documenting and taking photographs of the scene and of the injuries. Number three is do not speak to an adjuster or anybody involved from the insurance company without first consulting with an attorney. So number four naturally is consult an attorney as soon as possible. We're here to help you if you suffer from a burn injury or if you have any questions related to any burn injury incidents. My name is Mason Rashtian. My firm is called the Mason Law Firm, and we meet our clients by accident.